Hello, everybody! I have my uncle here. Yeah, wee! I am excited. So today we are going to be making a bunch of different slimes. So I have purple food coloring, blue food coloring, and a greeny blue food coloring. Do you want to say what you got?
I have the green one, a yellow, and a blue one.
And then for our glitters, we got these weird little glitter glues. He got the same white as me, and he got the orange, and he got blue. And then we got some instant snow to make cloud slime. I got some water, and we got borax today for our activator because my mom does not want to buy any more Tide. So, okay. We got some glitter, the white glitter. Oh yeah, and it's raining outside. We're gonna make crunchy slime, and we're gonna have some crunchy slime. We're gonna make some more different kinds of crunchy slime out of this.
Camera is here.
This glitter, these different types of glitter. Okay, let's make a slime. Okay. Oh yeah, and we're gonna have one ORBEEZ slime, and I will be making that one. Hermann. And I will pour the glue.
Yeah, you have to show me how it works because I've never done it before.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
I got it. I can do this. Yeah.
Oh.
And we're gonna be making some clear slime. My uncle is visiting from Germany. And he lives in
Switzerland.
Switzerland, however you say it. Oh my god! Look at the top! Look at the top. Isn't that cool?
Wow.
Isn't that... Oh! I didn't know it was gonna turn that color. I'm so glad I got this color.
I think I just put this inside, huh?
Sure. A glitter slime. You can make use of glitter slime. And they're leaving tomorrow. What happens if I add a little bit of blue? That would be so cool. The borax solution is a cup of water and a teaspoon of borax. So I'll pour some in yours. Okay, mine's so far starting. Is yours?
Yeah, it's already like glittery.
And look at mine. It's already like, blech. His is like boogers. Keep mixing until you got the right consistency, and that is where it's slimy. Ooh, I can't wait for the end, because then we get to mix them. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I need more glitter stuff.
Why?
Not enough.
Not enough. Yes, it's blue teal. It has no glitter, but it has shine. His is boogers. Boogers. See? Green always looks like boogers. Ooh. Ew. And if you feel like it's okay to go with your hands, you can, Hermann.
Okay.
Look at how it keeps getting harder. But I think it needs like a smidge more, and then they're perfect. Look how long they can go. Look, guys.
It's like really stucky now.
I feel like I want to go in with my hands to you. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I think mine needs a... Oh! His looks like boogers. Mine looks like a stretchy ocean. Set, go. Oh! Look at this. I'm having one hand free. Oh my god. I'm glad we did this at the same time. Oh my god. I'm glad I'm doing this video with you. My brother is gonna show his slime. Look at him, bud. Wait, did you make Ghibli?
Yeah. Wow.
Look at how it's all jiggly. Can I feel it? Because I have a nice clean hand. Can I feel? Oh my god, I love it. Oh yeah, and we're also gonna be making some jiggly slime. We're gonna be using that water that's over there for a little bit to make some jiggly slime. Oh yeah, and move the camera. No. Mine's gonna be crunchy slime for the first slime. Is his sticky? Look at this. Whoa. I'm gonna watch, guys.
Watch, guys. Show them.
Mommy. It's jiggly, slimy. Yeah. Look at me. Mine's dripping.
Oh, that was fun.
I'm mixing up too, guys. Ooh. You want to mix it up? Oh no, it's falling. My turn.
My turn. Oh, this looks like a big bubble gum.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it does green bubblegum. Watermelon bubblegum. Our slimes have finished. Yeah, my GoPro kind of. Oh my god. My GoPro died, so now we're on my mom's phone. So I'm gonna add my beads in now, and do you want to add something in? Beads?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, we're gonna add in beads. I'm gonna do blue beads only. Barely added any in. I'm just kind of mixing in it. Oh, he's going crazy about them. But I want to be separate with pretty colors. I'm just kind of. Okay, I'll go with blue and white. That's in purple. And pink and red. Okay, I'm adding more beads because I want mine to be extra crunchy. Oh my god! Wait, I'm gonna make a volcano. Okay, wait a minute. We're gonna make a volcano and just add like a bunch of beads into it. What? Just trying to get it off. Guys, stop! They're laughing because of my uncle being weird. Look at mine, guys. Mine has a bunch of beads all around it. Okay, so we're gonna add as much as we want.
Really?
Yeah, it takes a bunch of water actually. Watch.
Oh wow.
It keeps growing.
What?
Guys, it keeps growing. Doesn't it feel like diapers?
I don't know how diapers feel.
Look at how much. And it will grow. Look, it keeps growing. But, oh my god. Look at this. We have a bunch of snow right now. Okay, let's make our slime. Don't add it right. There's some pretty colors. Did you add snowflakes? What did you add?
This.
What? I never tested. Oh, that makes like a weird brown. Mine's still like.
Under the
Oh yeah! I threw slime and it landed on the ceiling. Daddy put flour on it, so it kind of blends in, but we still see it. I forgot about it until Daddy pointed it. Oh! Yeah, yours is gonna. Yours is gonna be poo. Yours is gonna be poo. My uncle's is now gonna be poo. Because I know yellow and purple makes brown.
Makes poop.
No, okay, guys, now we're adding the snow. You wanna go first? Because I watched videos and it shows that it works. So, is it working? I'm not actually scared. I was scared. Oh. Oh. Did anything happen?
It's like softer.
Really? Oh yeah, it did get softer. I think it's working, guys.
Oh no.
Yeah! Door activator. Ooh! Guys, I think this is a success. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It is! Oh, it really is.
Ooh, it's nice.
I never made cloud slime before.
Oh, look at it. It's fluffy.
Look how crunchy it sounds. This day is amazing. I think it's about like 10. It's stuck to me. Oh my god, yours is overflowing. We added like a bunch of snow to yours. Stop, I was about to miss.
I want to do it too.
I'm gonna add in my orange food coloring now. Now I'm gonna stir it. Ooh, I think these were supposed to be neon colors. Now, what was our last one? ORBEEZ! Okay, I'm gonna add like 2 scoops because this is really strong. Ooh, mine's already like forming really quickly. I need a little bit more. Be careful, it's
Big
really
one.
strong. Louise! A lot of mixing. It's a lot to do. No. Ew! It's bouncing all over the table. Look here.
Schlimmes Violet.
Louise! Perfect bouncy slime.
So geil. Ich muss jetzt bis geht.
It rips instead. But that's amazing bouncy slime. My uncle made bouncy slime. I'm still
It's like mine, almost.
red slime. Ugh. Looks like pumpkin guts. Mine was a fail, but his actually came out a putty. Okay,
And
ready?
it smells like watermelon.
Oh. Here we go! Oh, no! It's so bouncy. And when you poke it all the way down, it feels jelly-ish. We thought it was going to be a fail for a second. For both. Okay, I'm going to be making a water slime. He's going to be making an ORBEEZ slime. Okay. Okay, guys. Let me get them. The gallon's almost gone. So I guess all these slimes really do make a full gallon. Oh no!
Really?
Oh no! No! My putty! Putty.
It's actually mine, but okay.
Okay. Did you?
What?
And he's making ORBEEZ slime. I hope this actually works. Yeah, it should work. The gel
Oh,
was
it's
pretty
empty.
weird. No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
There's
Doesn't
only-
come out.
Wait a minute. Yeah, you had to go get a red or something. Look how watery. Can you do this? Come on, come on. It's too much. It's so amazing. Can it work? Okay, good. Good. But that is really pretty. You probably just need a little bit more of activator. Look how jiggly the middle is, look, guys. He's adding all the Orbeez back in there until he gets the slime good. That's a good strategy. Okay, guys. I have my jiggly slime on it. Stop it! The pecans. Yes, I really mean it. I mean. Stop. Really? Careful. Stop it. Ooh, I can't wait to make these into slime, into a big slime.
Slime.
Slime. Slime. Slime. Is it working? No?
I don't know. Oops.
Orby mess.
He's farting all the balls out.
Oh. No, I know you want.
Okay.
They're
Can
like,
we just put them inside here maybe?
sure.
Because the other one doesn't work.
Fill it to yellow. Do you want to keep the snow slime?
I don't think I will take it with me in the airplane.
What?
I don't think I will take it on the flight.
You can put it in. Look at this one.
Pancake.
Ah! This is water slime, guys. This is definitely water slime. Okay, got a little more. Look at it, it's still clear when I've been playing with it a lot. Ooh, it's done! Oh my gosh. This is the best water slime. Look at this water slime. It's stretchy, it's poppy, and it's even jiggling.
Oh wow.
It's. I've never made water slime before. Got a couple of these that are in pink water. Guys, it's stretchy, it's crunchy, it's stretchy, it's jiggly, it can make bubbles. Whatever. This is the best slime ever. I don't want to mix it in, but we will. These were the snow slimes. Ooh. Here is my purple beautiness. Snow slime. There's my regular blue slime. Okay guys, we're gonna mix in one of these. Which one? This one. No, this one. We're mixing in two jiggly ones. So here's one.
Let's see it stretch it.
Oh my god, guys. I hope it doesn't turn brown. I hope it just turns like green or something. But it's still amazing. No, it's purplish. Thanks for watching. Bye.